that mean some sort of certification that's different than this?
Yeah, it's not specified in the thing. We go by what's allowed on the airplane. I'll pass it on to the captain.
You walk all the way back here without a mask over your nose. What's the difference?
You're gonna have to come off the airplane. They're not gonna let you travel.
What?
Non-mask compliance.
So I can't fly because this doesn't work?
Correct.
I'm here to ask you a question. Did he just get kicked off for wearing a mask?
It's between bites and sips, sir. You have to put your mask on.
Did he just get kicked off
Sir,
for
I don't know
wearing a
what's
mask?
going on, but I'm asking you. It has to be in between bites and sips. That's the federal law. Okay.
Sip. Now I'm biting.
Now put it back on. Now put your
Did
mask
he
on.
just get kicked off for
Sir,
wearing
I
that
don't
mask?
know what's
I'm out of
going
here.
on.
Forget it. I'm out of here. You know this whole thing's ridiculous.
It's not my law, sir. It's the federal government law. Take it up with him.
You guys are getting out there. If they don't want to abide by the mask policy, then we wear free masks in the aircraft.